Hello ma'am, sorry to late submit. I'm Azul Islam and today I am going to talk about if I could change on thing in the world. Uh, if I had to the power change thing in the world, I would change to poverty. Poverty is one of the biggest challenge that human facts affecting million people worldwide. It leads to hunger, lack of uh, poor health care, and countless the other struggle. To eliminate poverty, I would ensure that every person has access to basic necessary like food, clean water, education, and healthcare. I believe that by providing free and quality education, we can improve the people's skill, helping the better future. I If I could change thing in the world, world work towards end poverty more just equal society for all. Thank you, ma'am.